Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell at Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. This is one of my little tools, new swipe tools. You might have to search that, or you can always ask me for a link. I am going to be smearing with my pie cutting tool that I picked up at the local church bazaar store. I've got like an 18 by 24 inch canvas. Can't remember if I just said that or not. I think I'm losing my cool. I have dust in my house. I like to use a base of Anita's White Metallic to give myself a starting place. And then I'm going to use just colors that I like and smear at will. And this is the Amethyst from Artist Loft. This is some fluorescent pink from Folk Art. I will more than likely add more Anita's White Metallic. This is a Hot Orchid from Color Art that's not coming out, and I want you to come out. Come on. Come on, thing. Oh, please. It's being very uncooperative. It's like 3 inches long already. Look at that. Wow. Okay, that's like 5 inches long. I did not expect that. Party tricks. At least we got it to come out. This is some color shifting red-orange from Folk Art. That makes me want some real orange. Well, this isn't real orange, this is a real yellow orange. But it makes me want it anyway. Don't ask me what this design is, it's just a base. This has got iridescent pearl fine in it from Golden. What else do I want? I have some fiery orange from Arteza. Which is similar to, very similar to the color shifting red orange from Folk Art. So what else do I have over here? I have some color shifting purple from Folk Art, one of my favorites, and some Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold, which I planned on using everywhere. I did mention that I have Amsterdam Black, and if I didn't, I am now. I have Amsterdam Black, and it has Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner added into it. This is making me want some blue, but I'm thinking if I'm going to do that, I might want to do it afterwards. I think I've used almost everything except for the red. Alright, I'm going to take a chance and try a little bit of the red. I'm very red shy, but I keep trying to get outside my comfort zone. And this is nice over here, but I can't live without my purple. That makes me want to put that blue in I was talking about, and I did shake it up so it is ready to go. Maybe just a little bit to try it out. Over here. Over here. Alright, so I'm not sure when I'm going to use my little swipe tool, but I know that I'm going to start by using the Amsterdam Black and let it spread itself all over my swipe tool, and then just have at it. You know what? I really want to torch that first because I can see some bubbles in there. And some of my black came off. You know what? I want more white. White I might even leave in place, you can never tell. One down, and time to grab a scrape dish. Grab some more of my black. Amsterdam black, I'm dribbling. I am going to use my little tool. I've got paint dripping down. That's interesting, but I like this color up here. I think I'm going to use my little swipe tool. Change the shape of things just a little bit. I'm not sure you can see where I'm working over the edge, so I'll try and come back again. It's an art form, just trying to get used to the amount of paint that you sort of pick up and drag along with you on the tool as you go. But I'm kind of sort of getting it, little by little. Got some sort of little feathery vine going on over there. It's kind of neat. And some other things now. That's kind of cool. I'm liking that. That's dynamic. Oops, I just lost a drop. Precious stuff too. I like the white. I wish I would allow myself to keep more white more often. Alright, so now I have to decide what I'm going to do with this last bit, because I really do like what's happened already, and I don't know that I want to go so much further that I destroy that. So I'm thinking, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking I could probably blow into that and see what happens. Fresh straw. I know what that noise means. That's not bothering me. Kind of like it. Now I can do a little bit more of that somewhere else. Just add some blue mask things. Make some different shapes and some textures. Move some paint. There was already a mark there. I kind of like leaving these little keyhole gaps a lot. I could tip some of that. I could also give myself permission to Just swipe and smear a little bit more of it. I have some residual blue in my dish where I'm picking up. That's pretty cool. I'm liking that a lot. Just going to drag a few marks here and there. Turn over my little tool so it deposits its payload. Hope that doesn't ruin anything. I like this up here, but I like it better with that complete mark. I just want to stick my tool in and pick up paint. But the truth is, if I want that paint, I can imitate that paint by adding it, and that's probably a better idea than ruining something that has some pretty interesting shapes. I think a different shaped tool might be in order. Maybe not that one either. A smaller one. There's my smallest one. That's the one I like. I haven't figured out exactly how to decide that I'm done with the prototype version of this, because they do tend to bend. So they don't stay straight. That's good. So they don't stay straight. Add a few different textures. I think if I wanted to, I could grab some of that white metallic and use it because it's nice and heavy right there. And anywhere really that there's a heavy color that I haven't swiped through, it's perfect to steal a little bit of paint. Unless you go too deep, in which case you might unearth another color. It's really important for me to not leave my bottles in the way. I think I'm done. I know I could go on further and further. Yeah, I know, you can't trust me. I say one thing, and then I just keep going, and I'm not done. I'm going to keep stealing paint from that one section because it's nice and deep and it won't hurt anything. And there's a bubble there I'd like to pop. There we go, got rid of it. I like this gold enough. I gotta remember it's gooey and it drags little tiny trails with it. I'm gonna separate them before I can do anything about it. Yes, I like that. That's pretty sublime. The only thing I'm thinking is that I have paint I could put right there and a desire to add it. Steal a little bit of paint. Why not? Because I can. just make another texture inside the colors. It's not going to hurt anything at all. Yeah, okay, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out some of my more than 2,000 videos, organized by topic and genre. And you can find them by going to my YouTube channel and go to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. I gotta stop dotting. It's just too much fun. And I get carried away, but I really like the dots. I should torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys thank you for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. It's been a little tough lately, but I appreciate you more than you can imagine. Your support is like imperative to keep me going. You inspire the heck out of me. I really like this with all the negative space too. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means where I left the paint heavy, it will not crack. I definitely have an idea though. I want that gold. And the gold is hiding. Nope. Now I got it up. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys that I love you, and I do. Thank you so much for being here. And what else can I tell you? I have a link tree, which is where I hide all my links. It's the first blue link under the video. The top one is Legallerist, which is clothing made in Montreal. Investment quality clothing. I think I should add a little white to that. I've got a few paint smears over there, and I'm inclined to just, since what's in my dish is so dark, I'm going to add a little bit of white metallic to it. Yeah, I guess I'm not over dotting. It's what happens. I like adding what seems like a little bit of movement to things. That one was going to be a drip. Alright, so I haven't told you my email address is below the link tree. If you want to get in touch with me regarding purchasing an artwork or information about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, use my email address. It's easpb, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. If you appreciate what I do, give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you're the most help of all. When you watch them when the notifications come out, you might help my channel survive. It's not right now, not today. I have Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my website are all on my link tree. Twitter too. Did I say that? Spring clothing is the clothing you see below the video, and if you click on any of it, you'll be taken to where I have the rest of it stashed. And it's Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts, similar to Legallerist, except for Legallerist is dresses and Teespring is not. It's everything from baby onesies to, anyway, it's whatever they'll give me time to get up there before they kick me off, and aw snap. Basically happens all the time. I can add whatever you're interested in to what I have at pixels.com and Fine Art America. And those links are also on the link tree, along with my community board is on my YouTube channel, and it has tomorrow's video on it. You can ask me questions. If you're looking for a paint pouring recipe, it's below. Show more underneath the video. You'll find it along with my cell activator recipe. If I can help you guys with anything, please just let me know. And there is a monthly drawing, and if you are a contributor through PayPal or Patreon, you can see the prizes offered for the monthly drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video, included in the last 20 seconds of every video. And I love you, and I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.